In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and modify images within your PDFs using Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're crafting a beautifully polished document or simply need to make some adjustments to your files, knowing how to efficiently add and edit images can be a real game changer. Let's dive in and explore these straightforward steps together. First, we'll look at how to insert images directly as part of your PDF's page content. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Once your file is ready and you can see your document on the screen, head over to the right-hand tools where you'll see an option labeled Edit PDF. Click on that and you'll notice a new toolbar appear at the top. In this toolbar, there's an option specifically designated for adding images, aptly named Add Image. When you click Add Image, it allows you to browse your files and select the image you'd like to include. Once you've picked the perfect image, you'll be able to place it right on the page. You aren't just stuck with its initial size or location, though. Acrobat gives you handy selection handles which you can use to resize, move, or even crop the image to suit the layout of your page. Furthermore, if your image needs to be layered with other content, simply use the Arrange options to bring it forward or send it behind other items. This flexibility ensures your image appears exactly how you want it. Next, let's discuss replacing or editing an existing image. Still within the Edit PDF mode, if you need to modify an image that's already in your document, just click on it. Immediately, you'll see a bounding box with editing handles surrounding the image. These tools allow you to resize or crop as needed. But if replacing the image entirely is what you're after, it's just as easy. Simply remove the current image and add a new one using the same Add Image tool we talked about earlier. This makes updates or changes a breeze, enabling you to maintain a fresh and relevant PDF without starting from scratch. Finally, we have the option to attach images, which means they are included as part of your PDF file, but do not appear on the visible page content. In the Edit PDF mode, look for either the Add Attachment or Attach File option. These features let you embed an image as an attachment. Once attached, these images will be visible in the Attachments pane, offering a way to include additional material without altering the visual layout of your document. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy Adobe Acrobat tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you next time.